members of the Diplomatic Corps, Your Excellency, the High Commissioner for India, Chief Executive Officer and staff of the Bank of Baroda in Fiji, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and my friends. Nisambul Vanaka and a very good evening to you all. I'm very pleased to be here tonight to celebrate with you this very auspicious occasion. I begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land we are gathered in, the land or the Vanua of Nandon Mai, Turana Rokotishuba, and pay my respect to their chiefs, past, present, as well as emerging leaders, some of whom may be here with us tonight. I'm delighted to join you this evening to mark the 117th founding day or anniversary of the Bank of Baroda, India's largest public sector bank, second only to the State Bank of India. As His Excellency the High Commissioner has mentioned, I have a long and good relationship with India. I got my master's in degree from the Indian Defence Services Staff College in Wellington, Tamil Nadu. Wellington, New Zealand also, yeah, different one. And also I got my new niece from Baroda. I had some problems with my old niece, and in 2006, the Prime Minister then was very gracious to allow me to enjoy my privileges as a former Prime Minister and allowed me to go to India for knee replacement surgery. It was done by Dr. Modi in the knee replacement hospital in Baroda. I came back with 6 pints of Gujarati blood. That's why my Gujarati friends here are very close to me. Some of them I call my blood brothers. Oh, one such brother standing in the back there, old Himat. He's no longer the young Himat that I was friends with a long time ago. The theme for the bank's 117th anniversary is Trusted Today, Transforming Tomorrow, outlining the bank's vision to be a world-class financial service institution built on the foundation of the trust of its customers for well over a century now. Let me first congratulate the Bank of Baroda on reaching this milestone in its journey. Please allow me also to commend all those whose work and dedication have positioned the bank as a successful and respected global bank where it is today. Congratulations. Our celebration must begin by honoring the founder of the Bank of Baroda, Maharaj Sayajirao. And we paid our respects to his memory here tonight. On the 20th of July, 1908, Maharaj Sayajirao erected a tiny building in the princely town of Baroda. His vision was to set up a bank which would prove to be a beneficial agency for lending, transmission and deposit of money, and a powerful factor in the development of art, industries, and commerce in the state of Baroda and adjoining territories. From the first branch in Manvi in Baroda in 1908, the bank has today established itself as the second largest public sector bank in the country. The bank also has a strong international presence with a network across 17 countries. a bank with a rich legacy of 115 years that has stayed ahead of the curve by embracing innovation and constantly reinventing itself to earn the trust and patronage of its customers and other key stakeholders. The Government of India nationalized the bank in 1961 and holds 63.97% stakes in the bank. The bank serves its global customer base of 165 million, as we heard earlier on from the CEO of the bank, through over 70,000 touch points spread across 17 countries in 5 continents, and through its various digital banking platforms, which provide all banking products and services in a seamless and hassle-free manner. During its 117th Foundation Day celebrations in Mumbai, more digital services were launched. Turning to our local scene, we cannot overlook the contribution of the Bank of Baroda in the economic and social development of our own country over the years. The Bank of Baroda commenced operations in Fiji on July the 5th of 1961. The bank has been here 63 years, serving customers faithfully and loyally and diligently. The bank's head office in Fiji is here in Juba, and there are 8 branches Fiji-wide. Juba, Nosori, Rakiraki, and our brother from Rakiraki is here, Mr. George Huraj, Nimbulavinaka, Arnandra. Also in Nandi, in Singatoka, Lautoka, and the headquarters of Fiji, or the main center of Fiji, Lambasa. I'm told that the bank's Fiji operation has a customer base of more than 100,000. That's not bad. That's one in every 9 in Fiji. As part of our reforms, the Coalition Cabinet approved the establishment of a banking ombudsman at our meeting last week. This is a mechanism voluntarily agreed to by the commercial banks that is the approach of the coalition government to be guided by the bank and not to impose its will on the positive operations of all the banks in Fiji. Its financial sector faces unique challenges shaped by our growing economy and natural environment. Government relies on commercial banks to provide necessary services to our people, and this is a matter where the market operates. Until the banks voluntarily resolve to have a banking ombudsman which government supports, we are confident that with the competition in the market, customers have significant choice on where they would bank. We are fortunate in Fiji, we do have an array of banks to choose from, unlike other countries penalized for various operations which result in banks closing down. On the more positive side of today's celebrations, I want to thank the Bank of Baroda and the staff for your generous donations and corporate social responsibility activities in sponsoring various sports, good causes, and events throughout the year. You would have heard that I'm also in charge of Veterans Affairs, so I probably reserve one of those wheelchairs for myself, not for one of the veterans. Today is no different with the donation of the wheelchairs to CWM, planting of mangrove seedlings, and your walkathon last week. I'm also in charge or in control of the portfolio looking after the environment, so thank you for planting those trees. You also demonstrated your commitment to social responsibility and environmental sustainability by supporting various initiatives and programs that benefit the people of Fiji. I want to pay special tribute to the staff of your bank, madam. You are the foundation of the bank's success, and I want to thank all of you for your dedication and your commitment. I hope you will keep inspiring others with your passion and excellence. To conclude, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to have an institution like the Bank of Baroda with an extensive global knowledge, skills, and experience, being an active partner and an investor in Fiji. I congratulate the Bank of Baroda on its 117th anniversary and wish the bank continued success in Fiji and the world and beyond. Vinawalevu, Dhanabat, Shukriya. Thank you very much.